Hey guys, today in this video we will be creating bot using Selenium in Python. Before going further, we have to download Webdriver. So if you are working with Chrome, you have to download Chrome Webdriver. To download that, you have to first go to your browser and type Chrome Webdriver. Hit enter. Go to the first link and click on downloads. First check the version of your Chrome and then download the WebDriver. And if you, for example, if your version Chrome version is 88, click on this link. You will be redirected to this website. And if you are working with Linux, download this zip file. If you are working with Mac, you have to download this zip file. And if you are working with Windows, you have to download this file. Okay, so I'm working with Mozilla Firefox, so I will download for that. So type Firefox WebDriver, hit enter and click on this GitHub link. Come down over here. If you are using Linux 32-bit architecture, download this one. If you are using Linux 64-bit architecture, download this. If you are using Mac, download this one, this file. And if you are using Windows 32-bit architecture, download this file. And if you are using Windows 64-bit architecture, download this file. Mine is Linux 64, so I am downloading this one, this file. Okay, wait for the download. Open the file. Just right click and open in terminal. Click on that and follow these commands. I will give the command in the description. You can just copy paste. I have done these things already, so I will not do this again. So let's move on in installing Selenium. Close this terminal and open the new and type in pip3 install Selenium. If you are doing this on Windows, just write pip install Selenium. Hit enter. So here we will get this successfully installed Selenium. So we have successfully installed Selenium. So let's start writing the code. Create a new file, Python file. Save anywhere you want. Save it with test.py with py extension. Save it with .py extension, py extension, .py. First of all, we have to import Selenium module. So write from Selenium import WebDriver. Now create a variable and WebDriver.Firefox. If you are working with Chrome, just write CHROME, and if you are working with Firefox, write Firefox. Provide the parenthesis. If you are working with Windows, provide the location of the file, WebDriver file. So in Linux, we do not have to provide the path. So let's open a website, driver.get, and put in the URL of the website. Now let's run this code. Go to the place where you have the Python file. Open the terminal from there and type in python 3 test.py. And the website opens, and here you can see the symbol of bot. That means we have opened this website using bot. And that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Then like the video, comment down your suggestions and queries, and thanks for watching.